Mahal na mahal ka talaga ni Dad. Gagawin niya ang lahat para protektahan ka.
I'm so sorry, ate. I'm so sorry. I was just so scared. I know it's my fault, Marigold's death, but it was an accident.
Aminin mo. It's also because you hated her for what she was.
I did.
Diyan tayo nagkakasundo. Sa galit natin sa lahat ng kabit sa mundo. For me, it's not your fault. We can blame Dad, pero ultimately, kasalanan yan ng kung sino mang